So let's see an example. This example says we need to calculate vapor pressure using Antoine equation. And it says we are designing a process in which toluene, this toluene is using as a solvent. And as part of safety analysis, we need to calculate the saturation pressure, because this pressure will help us to know that's the value at which boiling will change for this process. And then we need to find the saturation pressure at 100 degrees Celsius. So if you go to the appendix E, so you will see toluene. We have just one row for toluene, okay? And this is the temperature range for toluene, and our temperature is 100 degrees Celsius, so it lies within this range. So the temperature is consistent with this one, okay? We have given temperature, lies within the range we have, then we can use these values directly. So for this one, we can start with, let's recall Antoine equation. So Antoine equation says logarithmic of saturation pressure, this is A minus B over T plus C. The first requirement is we need to find saturation pressure if temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. So from the appendix, the value of A is 6.95464. The value of B, this one is 1344.8. Value of C is 219.48. And again, ABC directly from the table, not multiplied by 10 to the power any number, similar to what we were doing with CP, heat capacity equation. So substitute in this value, then we will have log saturation pressure. This will be the value of A minus B over 100. Put it as Celsius, there is no need to convert it, plus C. We have the value of A, we have value of B, we have value of C. Then after we substitute in this equation, you will find that the saturation pressure will be 556.3, and again the units is millimeter mercury. And this is the first requirement. Clear? Just direct substitution in the equation, and this is everything we need. Second requirement is to find the normal boiling point. Second requirement here, we need to find normal boiling point. So normal boiling point, so here in this one, you need to find temperature. Okay, but he told you that find the temperature at normal condition. Anyone remember normal condition? So what will be the value of pressure? 1 atmosphere, right? So the value of pressure is 1 atmosphere. And again, in Antoine equation, are we using atmosphere? No. So 1 atmosphere, this is 760 millimeter mercury. So I substitute in the equation. So we have log of 760. This is A, and the value of A is the same, minus B. We have value of B over T plus C, and we know that the value of C, just direct substitute in the equation, and then the boiling temperature, this one will be 110.6 degrees Celsius. And again, directly, the value that you are obtaining from the equation is in degrees Celsius.